Hey, this is Brittany, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly post tweets using the visual tab. A lot of people like doing it through the HTML tab. However, I believe it to be less time consuming using visual. And the main purpose for that is when you copy a word, say a Twitter handle, that is linked already to begin with, when you copy that, it also picks up that link code. And when you paste it in WordPress, it's already linked. So that's something you don't have to do or don't have to worry about. It also, this also goes for hashtags in Twitter that we may want as well. Um, it makes it really easy when it comes to live tweeting, like red carpet events where we're posting fan tweets and we're in a hurry. Visual tab makes things so much faster and able to post these tweets as soon as possible and try to keep up. So this is mainly why I advocate strongly for posting tweets in visual. So first I'm going to show you how to post just a regular post using one tweet. And this is an actual tweet that was sent to us by this person saying that Bellamy is in an international film festival in Brazil. So I clicked this link he gave me, and he is correct. So we're going to use this logo that I already screen capped ahead of time, and I'm going to post that photo. So we want it center aligned, so we're going to click that button. I'm going to upload it as usual. Mine's already in the gallery. Our max width is 440, but because it's very close, I'm just going to post it like that. If it was significantly larger, say like 500, 550, so on, above the picture, we would first the picture post it in medium, and then above the picture we would write click image to enlarge so that other people know the original is larger than this, such as cases like magazine scans or whatnot. But because this is pretty damn close, I'm going to post this in full size and insert into post whenever it feels like it. And then we're going to go down a line and go back to the left line. Now we're going to post in the tweet. We're going to highlight his Twitter handle. And if you notice, I can't highlight the @. So for now, we're just going to copy his Twitter handle. And before I paste it in, I'm going to put the @ in. And then paste. As you can see, it kind of looks weird having the Twitter handle bolded but not the @. So we're going to make it all a little bit more fluid. So we're going to highlight that. And even if the Twitter handle was pasted in and it was italicized, if it was a huge size text, anything to that nature, we're going to click this button right here called remove formatting. And it's just going to bring it back to regular old text. Whatever it was, it'll go back to our basic default text. So as soon as that's pasted, we're going to enter down the line and start a block quote. Now we want to highlight his tweet, but we don't want Twitter handles in it. If he sent it to a bunch of different people, even if he sent it to us, we just want the information of the tweet. So we're going to copy that. And as you can see, this was all linked, everything to that nature. So it's going to all pick it up for us. And we don't have to do anything but Control V. And maybe put a space in there because that looks weird. So as you can see, it's all done for us. If this guy had any more information and he tweeted it to us, we wouldn't have to go back, put his Twitter name in to what we just did. We just enter down a line and put in whatever information he sent us. So there's that. You could also put a source in here, and I'll show you how to do that. We want to enter down a line, take off the block quote. Source should always be centered, so we're going to click the align center. We're going to type in source. We're going to highlight it. I'm going to go back to this website and copy the URL. I'm going to click this, and we're going to paste that in like that. Ta-da! And that goes for any word. Say if it was a thank you to a different website, highlight the website's name, and then just enter in the link using the insert link button, the little chain link here. Cross off the appropriate categories, and then you would publish. Now, when it comes to a mega post, such as a review tweet, post such as this, you can see it's overwhelmingly, just loaded with a bunch of stuff. How are you ever going to know that you are not going to duplicate a tweet that's already in there? I will show you how to do that. You would view post, click that, and here's the post here. You can click Control F on your keyboard, and this will come up. Now this is where, let's use, where was I before? It was here. You would highlight the Twitter handle, which I'm going to do. Let's see. And this was my example. So we're going to copy this Twitter handle, the whole thing here, copy it, make sure you put in the @ sign, and paste it in. And as you can see by the little beep, that person does not exist on this page, meaning we don't have it. So when you go back, needs to be added. So let's add that. Go to the end of the post. We're going to enter down a line. Click this block quote button here to go back to the left. Put in the @ sign. Paste it in. Now it's bolded. We want to take out the formatting. We want it just to be normal to match with everything. So let's click remove formatting. We're going to enter down a line. Click block quote. So we get that indent. And once again, we don't need any Twitter handles or anything like that. So we're just going to copy the actual information of this tweet. Even when it comes to Twitter handles. And as you can see, Twitter handles, it's going to pick up that link, which is pretty cool. In case anyone's cruising our site and wants to check out what that Twitter handle consists of. So we're just going to highlight the information of that tweet, and we're going to paste it in. As you can see, the bold with all the other stuff, that kind of looks weird. So we're just going to highlight what is bolded. Click the remove formatting again. And there we go. We have the tweet. Like I said, if say this person was already here and you wanted to add it in, we would go wherever his name was and say maybe this person, for example, we have another tweet from him. So let's add it in. We're not going to add in his name again or anything like that. We're just going to go where his name is. We're going to enter down a line and paste in whatever he tweeted. And that's pretty much the gist of it. I'm here for any questions, of course. Hopefully that seems simple. I try to make it as simple as possible. but I really encourage you using visual for posting tweets. So I'm here for questions.